Hey everyone, it's Junfan029 here, and today we're gonna have a very special unboxing. We're gonna check out the Vivo Y81. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this is the box of the device. It is a standard Vivo box. At the front you can see some picture of the device itself. Vivo is the official sponsor of the FIFA World Cup in Russia, and that's why they have the logo of the FIFA World Cup here. At the side of the device you can see more Vivo branding. At the top there's nothing there. On the left hand side you can see some more Vivo branding, and the bottom it has the seal at the bottom. So at the back of the device you can see it has some information about the device. It comes with 32 GB of internal storage, 3 GB of RAM, and a 13 megapixel rear camera, face access, and a 6.22 inch full view display. As you can see, we got the red variant here. So yeah, that's it for the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. As we open the box, we are greeted with the device itself. So we're gonna put that aside for now. I'm gonna put that here for now. There are some paperwork here, warranties, and etc. This device does not come with a case, however, and it also doesn't come with a pair of headphones. We are greeted with a charger. It comes with a micro USB charger and a standard wall adapter. So yeah, let's go ahead and check the device itself. As you can see, we got the red variant here, Vivo Red. So let's go ahead and turn the device on. Hey guys, I'm done setting up the device, and as you can see, as we turn it on, we can see the 19:9 aspect ratio and the 6.22 inch display. It comes with a notch, as we all know, and the device is actually made out of plastic. Although it might look like it's made of metal, it is actually plastic. This device feels good in the hand. It's not as premium as other devices, but given its price, it is a budget smartphone, so I know why they had to go with plastic. And so yeah, let's go ahead and take a look around the device. In the front you can see the display, the 19:9 aspect ratio display, the earpiece, the camera, and the proximity sensor at the left hand side. If we take a look at the right hand side of the device, you can see the power button, the volume up and down, and the top, there's nothing at the top actually. At the left hand side we can see the SIM card tray, and at the bottom we can see the headphone jack, microphone, a micro USB, not USB Type-C, and a speaker grill. At the back we can see the 13 megapixel camera and a LED flash. So yeah, that's a walkthrough around the device. The device comes with Vivo's operating system, and I don't know what version that is yet. And actually the screen looks quite good actually. I think it's clocked at 1080p, I'm not sure yet, so correct me if I'm wrong guys. We're gonna take a look at the system about this phone. So the phone comes with a FunTouch OS 4.0 and a Android version of Android 8.1, as you can see. So yeah, that's all guys. If you want to know to take a more in-depth view of this device, please leave a comment down below, and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys.